And this week our topic is about symmetric property of circles. So in this video, we'll be explaining four properties. The first one is property number 1, perpendicular bisector of chord. So according to this, if a line L bisects the chord AB of a circle and it's perpendicular to the chord AB, then the line L passes through the center of the circle. So this is another example applying this property. So let's have this circle. Let's focus first on the line AC and the chord BD, which is actually perpendicular to each other. Notice that AC bisects the chord BD at point C. So applying the property number 1, it states that having this situation, line BC should be equal to, or line segment BC should be equal to line segment DC. And since we all know that line BC is equal to 3 centimeters, we know that line segment DC is actually equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, next property number 2 is equal chords. So according to this, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. Also, chords that are equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. For this example, we're going to use the same circle from the previous example. This time, we're going to determine the length of chord EG and the line segment AF. So from the previous example, we know that line segment BC and line segment DC are both 3 centimeters. That means the length of the chord BD is equal to 6 centimeters. It is given that the line segment, or the chord rather, chord BD is congruent to chord EG. That means chord EG is also 6 centimeters. Now applying property number 2, since we have equal chords, which are line segment BD and EG, that means these chords are actually equidistant to the center. That means line segments AC and line segment AF are equal. Now since line segment AC is equal to 4 centimeters, we can say that the measurement of line AF is also 4 centimeters.
Property number 3, tangent perpendicular to radius. The tangent at point of contact is perpendicular to the radius of a circle. For example, in this circle, we have radius AC perpendicular to this tangent, as well as this radius AE is perpendicular to this tangent. Property number 4, equal tangents. Tangents from an external point are equal in length. The line from the center of a circle to an external point bisects the angle between the two tangents from an external point. For example, in the same circle, we will determine the measure of line segment ED given that line segment CD is equal to 6 cm. Since these line segments are tangents who share a common external point, then they are equal in length. Since line segment CD is 6 cm, that means line segment ED is also 6 cm. This property also indicates that the line segment from the center of the circle to the external point bisects the angle formed by these two tangents. So since the measure of angle D is equal to 50 degrees, then the measure of angle ADE and the measure of angle ADC is equal to or both equal to 25 degrees.